Right then, Kate, so your best so far was 59, which was a paper 1. Your best paper 2 performance was 39. So hopefully, the fact that you did it as a test with me should make sure you've done better than that. Let's see how it goes. So with these two, although you're not going to get penalised, you need to be careful and make sure that the context, because the context is money, calculator doesn't know that. It doesn't add that 0, but you should. 18 square centimetres is a square that's 18 centimetres that way and 18 centimetres that way, which wouldn't cover a floor. It's 18 square metres you'd be looking at for a floor. 320. Good. So 11 out of 12 on that first page. Now, what you've done here is you haven't noticed that there's still the 2 boxes on there which weigh 320. So you need to do 620, take away the weight of the boxes before you divide by 5. You're not really communicating to me what you're doing either. So you aren't going to get any communication marks. So you've got your method for dividing by 5, but you haven't subtracted first, so you're not going to get the right answer. With this one, there are 61 squares, but you need to read the question. It's telling you that each square represents an area of 8, so you have to multiply by that by 8 to get your final answer. So only 3 on that page. That's good. This is a chord. You'll get the marks for that, but you should spell it correctly. That is a radius. It's not 0.91. You're going to read off your ruler 9.1 centimeters, and each centimeter is 10 millimeters. So it's 91 millimeters. That's good. So 4 on that page. Again, that's something really you should be able to get full marks on. It's not 1 day, it's 2 days. It's day 1 and day 4. That's correct. This one's wrong. You've got 3 and 3. And it's not 3.2, it's 3.5, that should be. Those are all the wrong ones. They're all equivalent to a quarter, but a quarter is 25%. 2 that you wanted were those 2. So 6 on that page. That's good. Well done. It's not divide by 100, it's times by 100. If it cost £5, that would be 500 pence. Those are correct. Good. So 1, 1, 1. No, sorry. 0. Drop 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got 6 there. 14 for the page. 23. That's correct, and that's correct. So 6 marks there, that's good, and that's good. 12 marks there. So it's a good couple of pages there, and there as well. So 9 marks there. Here you've reflected on the wrong line. That's the line x equals 0, because everywhere on that line the x coordinate is 0. Y equals 1 means the line where the y coordinate is always 1. So that needs to be reflected down there. You've done a correct reflection, so you will get 1 mark. You need to be working with the area. You're just working with the sides there. Take a look how I work through that on my video solution. It's 246 out of 365 is what you're looking for there. You don't need to cancel it down. That one is correct. It is minus 135 divided by 31. You just haven't worked out what the answer is. isn't 20%. You have to work out 10%, take it off, and then another 10%. Now that's something we will certainly be practicing before the paper too, so isn't a concern at this moment. Okay, so a shaky start and a stronger end to that paper. So let's see what your total is. 11, 14, 18, 24, 38, 40, 50, 59, 63, 66. That's pretty good considering that the first few questions you were quite shaky on. So that's a grade C, which is what we need. And if you go back into that first half of the paper, you're going to see there are things there that you should be able to do and get right easily.